The fence is fully underwater, the fence.
It's been ripped to pieces.
Yeah, so just a couple of days for all the stuff.